Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best caulking guns that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Amston Professional Caulking Gun. We begin with this piece from Amston Tool Company. The reasons why we consider this one as one of the best caulking guns because, first thing we like about it is the solid feel, and we believe that this is due to the sturdy steel materials and good engineering. The unit also feels nice in the hands thanks to the excellent ergonomics. You can use it for an extended period, and your hands and fingers will not feel too tired. It is suitable for both domestic and commercial use and can accommodate 10-ounce cartridges easily. Furthermore, it has a smooth mechanism for releasing the caulk and a practical hook for convenient hanging on a hook. For easy application, the accessory includes a large thumb-operated latch. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ox Tools Pro 10-ounce caulk gun. If you want an ergonomic gun for caulking, you should go for this one. It's well made to handle regular use and is less likely to break or be damaged courtesy of the solid construction. Besides the proper materials, it is easy to use courtesy of the basic mechanism. Nevertheless, despite its simplicity, this piece can handle demanding jobs without problems. It features a friendly handle for easy gripping and quick application and comes in a non-dripping style to prevent wastage. Moreover, it boasts of a good capacity to handle a decent volume of up to 400 milliliters. This is ideal for amateurs as well as professionals. Thanks to the high thrust trigger, the unit releases the contents effortlessly and can endure the pressure fairly well. At number 3, we have the Newborn 930 GT-D Drip-Free Smooth Hex Rod Cradle Caulking Gun. The Newborn 930 GT-D is one of the best caulking guns in 2021. It has a good thrust ratio of 10:1 and is okay for most applications, both home, domestic and commercial. The unit is much easier and more comfortable to use when compared to its rivals. This is due to the highly responsive and well-placed trigger. Besides, the tool has good ergonomics for better comfort and handling. It has a 1/10 gallon capacity, which, together with the smooth pressure rod, allows the material to roll out smoothly. Additionally, the drip-free design prevents wastage or a messy job. Lastly, it has a suitable lightweight for better operation. At number 2, we have the Newborn 250 Super Smooth Rod Revolving Frame Caulking Gun. If you want a professional-grade gun for caulking, then this one is what you need. It handles most applications well thanks to the high-quality built and durable materials. Also, courtesy of the high thrust ratio, 18:1, it releases a decent volume with minimal effort. What's more, it doesn't create a mess or waste the materials thanks to the dripless style. It comes with a revolving barrel for use in tight locations and a strong zinc alloy handle to handle the pressure. Moreover, the friendly handle has a good grip for quick application. The 1/10 gallon capacity is ideal for both amateurs and professionals and is perfect for different materials including adhesives, acrylic, cement, asphalt, and butyl. And finally at number 1, we have the Makita XGC01 Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 10 ounces caulk and adhesive gun. Lastly, we have this caulking gun by Makita. It feels strong, reliable and should last a long time in good hands. The strong steel materials, together with the good build, allow the motor to deliver up to 1,100 pounds of force. It is electrically operated and has a 10-ounce capacity to work with standard cartridges. The tool has a nice feels courtesy of the ergonomic design, and this improves comfort even after handling for a long time. With the 360-degree rotation, it is fit for tight spots and is also very versatile. This also makes it right for domestic as well as commercial use. On top of this, the smooth mechanism and easy reach trigger boost functionality.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.